Hello friends, welcome. In this video I just wanted to share with you a quick little unboxing for some scrapbook materials that I recently got sent to me from Bleds. They're a company on Amazon that sell like a bunch of scrapbook supplies and junk journaling and all kinds of craft stuff. So I think I did a review a couple months ago. I think around the same time last year, May actually. So it's almost been a year, but yeah, they sent me a bunch of these scrapbook papers and decorative supplies, note papers, flower stickers, an adhesive roller, just like a ton of different kinds of papers to play around with. So I just wanted to share some of these with you. And yeah, let me know in the comments, how would you like to use these? Like how should I use these in another video? In this video I'm not going to show you exactly how I'm going to be playing around with these, but later on in another video I will be. So give me your ideas below in the comments if you have any suggestions or ideas on how I should use these and my journaling and scrapbooking and what have you. I might even use this in my planners. I know it does come with some stickers and whatnot, so and the adhesive roller as well, so that's pretty neat. These are all like pretty thin. They're like a thinner material, so they're really nice to layer. They're not like super thick. They're more like that origami style type of paper as well, so it could be good for origami as well. You can use it so many different ways. And right now I think they actually have these on sale the last time I checked on Amazon. So as of the time of making this video, they are on sale, but I'll have them linked on the description box below if you're interested in maybe picking this same little kit up. I thought it was really nice because I'm actually in the process of moving and like all my stuff is pretty much packed away, and then when this came in the mail I was like, ooh, something fun to play with. But unfortunately I don't have much out right now. We are in the process of moving, so I'm gonna have to share the creative video of me actually playing around with these papers in another time once I get settled. So hopefully that's very soon. We are in the midst of packing. Tomorrow the movers will be here, so yeah. But I just love all these little prints. You can see like the flowers. I just like playing around with these in my hands and like touching them and all the fun prints. Like I have so many ideas that I want to use these for. I think these would be really great for layering or even like background, or you can put pictures over it. Oh my goodness, so many different things. And like I said, they're not super thick, so it's nice for also origami, or I don't know, there are just so many different things. You can even use them as like little pockets, layered pockets. You can use these for die cuts. I like that they're smaller prints too. I have some ideas for that as well. I think these will be really cute outfits, like to put on. I have like some die cuts that you have to like build up the outfits and whatnot. Like this would be such a cute little dress design with the florals. So I was just measuring here about the size of each of the papers, so you can see a good idea of what you're getting. But I think it's really great. There's just such a big variety of papers here, so I'm really excited to play around with these. Yeah, and just get everything settled in and finally, have everything set and be able to actually relax and craft. But I did want to get this video out to you and share with you this fun little package that I did receive. Again, if you have any ideas, let me know. Like, how would you use these yourself? Yeah, I think they're really fun. Like, look at all these little prints. Oh my goodness, so cute. The little birdies, like postcard. These are all so cute. And I think these were like just a bunch of different like prints and I think different pieces of postcards, it looks like. Some stamps. Yeah, I think it's just a really good variety of little pieces of scrap papers that you can do a lot with. In the Facebook group, we actually just recently did clusters, a little cluster swap, and I think these will also be great for that. Like you can build clusters with these. I don't know, so many different options to do with these. These are really, really fun. And yeah, I just think that I don't know, so many different ideas coming to my head. I just want to do so much more with these, and I just can't wait to yeah, craft with these and put these in my journal and whatnot. But I also was thinking of one of those master boards where you can like just like paste a bunch on like this big board and then just cut them up into like tags or whatever, anything like that. I think that would be really fun. All these are so sweet with the little girl, and I think that's her little puppy. Looks like she's reading a book there. So precious. I love all of these. And I think just layering them, they're just all so cute. I don't know, I just love this. And next, I don't know about, I might even use some of these in, my journals and my planner. I think I said that before as well. I know it did come a stick. Oh, I love this image. So cute. That would be cute for Mother's Day, like little Mother's Day project there to put. I think that's just so precious. I love these, love the prints. A really good variety of like vintage images and a lot of like neutral tones. I really like that as well. And there's just so many. I think, like I said, it was like over 500 pieces came in here. I think there was like 60 in each. What does it say there? Yeah, 60 in each package there that you open. So again, I think these are like florals, different pieces of scraps here. And I think I'm going to, oh yeah, I was saying, sorry, my mind is like everywhere right now, but I was gonna say about the swaps. If you haven't joined the Facebook group and you would be interested in joining our swaps or even our raffles as well, or give like prizes and stuff like that, the information for that group will be in the description box below. If you'd like to join, it's free to join. And yeah, it's just, we encourage everybody, in like crafting and sharing our little crafting journey and pictures of anything you're working on, any projects or anything you want to share. And then we also do swaps, like I said, about weekly swaps. The last two swaps we did, I think one was, the most recent I think was the cluster swap, and I can't remember the other one. I think it might have been the tag swap or something like that, but we always are working on different things. So, yeah, if you're interested in that. But I think these will be super cute to like layer up in clusters, and there's so many different things you can make with them. I'll also link the video that I have making clusters as well. But yeah, you can use like different pieces of scraps like this. For that, you could even make like a little belly band of scraps. There's all sorts of things, and I have a whole playlist of crafting, paper crafts, and all that as well. If you're interested in that type of stuff, I'll try and link it here, but you can also check out my playlist, and I try to like break everything up here. I think it says 40 stickers here, so these are the floral stickers that I had mentioned come with the pack, and then over here, what else we have? Oh, these are cute. Oh, 100 pieces in here, and it looks like an ephemera pack. That's what it looks like, right? Yeah, it looks like some tags in here, all sorts of different labels and whatnot. This one looks really fun as well. So such a big variety of stuff here. And yep, we got some like tags, and I think I saw some labels in there as well. Oh, these are really fun. Those are really fun. I think that would be great for journaling, or even in your planner, depending on your style as well. But this is more like that vintage look, which I really like. Like earth tone colors, neutrals, and stuff like that. So really nice selection here. Just to have in your stash too. It's really good, like when you're looking for things like this, to add to a journal page. Just makes it fun and pop a little bit more, especially when you layer these up. I think it'll be really nice in the journal. But yeah, such a good variety here. So many nice pieces. And yeah, I was saying about the playlist, they should be like mixed up. Not mixed up, but everything is pretty much separated there. So that's the tape as well that it comes with. So that's really neat. Perfect. Everything you would need here, really. You got the tape, the papers, and then the stickers to layer up for clusters or anything to decorate your journal with. So really fun. But yeah, I do have those playlists, and I think I have a crochet playlist as well, a market playlist for all the markets that I've been to so far, and I'm excited to sign up for some more markets. That's going to be really fun. But anywho, thank you all for joining, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Let me know again in the comments below, how would you use these items? And yeah, I will see you soon in another video, and talk to you later. Bye.